I'm not even mad. That's pretty impressive. What are you doing? I'm not recording, I hope.
That's Frank.
Are you?
That's Rachel. Frank. Rachel.
Hi.
Hi.
Frank doesn't feel like talking right now.
Frank, say something.
See, he's pissy because of you now.
Frank, don't be camera shy.
Frank's dead, sorry.
Frank died. That's really sad.
This is all that remains left of Frank.
Alex, what do you have to say about Frank, even though you barely ever met him?
I don't know.
What a jerk.
Well, I did share my right leg with Frank, and
he like humped your leg or something.
I know I don't hump my leg. Frank was part of my leg. There's a difference.
See, Frank used to live right
Oh
there.
God.
Right here.
She just texted me.
Yep.
What'd she
I'll be
say?
out in a minute. I have an interview.
That's Sam, guys. She didn't get to see Frank. She didn't get to meet Frank. Oh, look at that. Frank's back. Oh, where'd you
Frank
come
the
from?
second.
Yeah. I had to straighten his glasses.
Frank the second. How do you feel about your brother dying?